mid-ordinate. So here mid-ordinate is nothing but the distance from this is called, this is D, this is C. Mid-ordinate is this portion M. The distance from C to D is mid-ordinate. So we will see here, mid-ordinate is nothing but CD. So you want here CD. So if you want CD, so then how you need to do? You need to minus OC minus OD. That is, from OC, if you minus OD, you will get CD. That is what here it is written. So if you want CD, you need to deduct from OC, you need to deduct OD. So you will get CD. See, if you want CD, you need to deduct OC minus OD. So where OC is your R. Why? OT1, see, if this is considered as an circle, if this is considered as a circle, if this is your arc, this is your center point, OT1 is radius, OT2 is radius, in the same way OC is also radius. So the value of OC is taken as R minus OD. So if you want OD, it becomes R minus M. So you need to take the triangle T1DO, that is T1DO. This triangle we need to take out, and from that you are taking cos theta. So cos theta is OD by R. Theta is nothing but the delta by 2. In the place of OD, you are going to substitute this equation, that is R minus M. So finally M becomes, arrange this. So M is nothing but R minus R cos delta by 2. Finally, we are taking this R as common. So M is equal to R into 1 minus cos delta by 2. This equation, this whatever I have explained you, this is very important. They may ask you, if they ask you in the exam that explain the relationship between elements of simple curve, you need to write out this diagram very neatly, and one by one all the your terms should be explained properly with the side diagram, and you need to write it out.